Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Naima Akhtar Tisha, Assistant Teacher Science, Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take Class 1 General Science class based on chapter 6, and our chapter name is seed germination, and we also do a question answer from this chapter. Let's start our class. The topic name seed germination. From this chapter we will come to know seeds have baby plants inside them. If you plant any seed to the soil and you then after certain time under favorable condition a baby plant will come out from this seed. When the seed gets the right amount of water, sunlight and air, a baby plant grows. That means if you thrown the seed in the soil, you have to also provide right amount of water, sunlight and air for the germination. Look, I have drawn here a picture. If it is small plant, if you give proper amount of water, then this small plant, at first you have to plant the seed, then in favorable condition, that means in right amount of, these seeds get proper amount of water, sunlight and air, after some days a baby plant will come out, and after germination of this baby plant, look here is a baby plant. If you provide proper amount of water, air and sunlight, then a healthy plant will grow from this baby plant. A healthy plant is upright with green leaves. Look here, I have drawn here a healthy plant. It contains green leaves and it's growing above. Now from this chapter there is a question. Look here, what is the question? What does a plant need to grow? In order to live and grow, plants need 4 basic elements. What are these 4 basic elements? Without this plant, that means without these 4 basic elements, plants cannot survive. The 4 basic elements are air, soil, sunlight and water. Again, air, soil, sunlight and water. You have to plant the seed in the soil. Then this sunlight is very much important, because using this sunlight the seed will germinate, and also for germination this seed will use water and air. You have to do this question as your SW. SW chapter 6 question answer. Dear students, you have to do your SW in your SW copy, and you have to submit it on every you can submit your SW on every Sunday, and you can collect it on every Wednesday, and your submission time will be from 8 AM to 2 PM, and your guardian or any other can submit this copy in the school library and collect from that library. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.